Richardsons Face Hospital. Today we have a patient for hair transplant. In this patient, we will be going with a frontal coverage. Here we'll have a two-stage of treatment plan, where the initial stage will be the frontal portion of the crown area will be covered with around 2,500 to 3,000 follicles, and later on in the second session we can cover the rest half of the crown. Here today we'll be dealing with FUE technique, that is follicular unit extraction. Complete follicular unit will be transplanted over the bald patch. The patient is suffering from alopecia areata and male pattern baldness. So later on, after the hair transplant, patient will be going for many other hair growth treatments like PRP, GFCs and hair threads to improve his existing hair quality and even the transplanted follicle quality also. But actually, left side is overseas, so that when you take that side that should cover the back.
Sim.